Hello everybody, this is the Spencer Duncan channel. Today we are talking about animals from the zoo. Because right now, animals are kinda having babies at the zoo. There is a baby bear at the zoo, but they did not announce it yet, but they will. The other thing, I want to give you some history. So what someone asked me, like a little kid asked me, why do baboons have red butts? So the truth is, in Africa where they live, there's a lot of rocks and it's kind of hard on their butt, so they actually have a cushy butt. And the other reason is when the woman wants a mate, they make their butt brighter. And that's the truth on that. And I know it's kind of weird, but in animal form, they want to say, let's get on. Alright. Bye.